Welcome to Chiva Som, one of the world's most luxurious health resort and destination spas, a haven for new beginnings on the Gulf of Thailand. Chiva Som, the haven of life, is designed to nourish and nurture body, mind and spirit into embracing ultra health for life. A warm Thai welcome is the first glimpse of the graceful and attentive Thai hospitality that nurtures and warms the spirit. Enjoying a glass of refreshing lemongrass, an overriding sense of peacefulness descends. Luxury accommodation awaits every guest. Ocean view rooms with their private balconies enjoy an open vista of the royal beach of Hua Hin. Thai pavilions offer a more secluded tropical garden ambience. Ultimate privacy is provided in the Golden Bow Suite with its large outdoor terrace. The heart of Chiva Som is the health and wellness facility. A detailed discussion on personal goals with a professional advisor ensures that each guest's health and wellness objectives are met. This may be relaxation, stress relief, fitness, pampering, weight management, detoxing, or lifestyle change. Emphasis is always placed on individual programs. The first introduction to the spa is in the dedicated male and female water therapy suites. Time spent here sets the scene for the body and mind to make the most of the benefits of each treatment. Drawing on the ancient rituals of water, the hydrotherapy suite leads to the flotation experience. A divine daily massage is enjoyed by every guest, and there are over 100 other spa treatments to choose from to help detoxify, de-stress, and relax the body. One of the most joyous pleasures to be found is the outstandingly pure and delicious fare. Breakfast, lunch and dinner are a feast for the senses, feeding the mind as well as the body with delicious Thai and international spa cuisine. Incorporating Eastern philosophies, guests may choose to learn an Oriental approach to health with Tai Chi or yoga. Meditation classes help to calm the mind and focus on attaining inner strength. There is a vastly contrasting range of group or individual exercise sessions scheduled throughout the day. Intensive or gentle approaches to reshaping, rejuvenating, re-energizing and realigning the body. A team of expert trainers encourage guests on a mind and body level to enjoy new challenges, improve techniques, and develop sustainable lifestyle changes. Chiva Som has a number of diagnostic treatments, including iridology, allergy testing, and nutritional counseling. Medical treatments essential in determining current state of health are also available. These include stress and blood tests, and echocardiography performed by internationally qualified doctors, and specialists in Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine help guests on paths of discovery. Recognizing a world where a balanced nutritional diet is difficult, Chiva Som reveals fast and easy ways to prepare healthy, tasty meals. Before your departure from the haven of life, Guests may indulge in beauty treatments before enjoying the company of other guests at a fun and nutritious mocktail party. Chiva Som is about providing for your personal choices, providing the best and most inspirational environment for your journey towards greater health.